You already made quite a mess. I know, they're all over the floor. Can you scoop? Scoop the beans? I know, it's hard when you're stepping on beans all over. Yay, scooping beans! That's right, those are beans. Good scoop. Yeah, put them in the bowl. Oh! You're funny. Good try. Yeah, it's probably easier just to use your hands, huh? Oh boy. Look. Auntie, look. Oh, I dumped all the beans in there. Close. There you go. Oh, good scoop. Ah. Oh, not for eating. Not for eating those beans. No, they're not cooked. They're not cooked. Yucky. Not for eating. Yuck. Yuck. Open up. Yuck. If you want, I can cook them. That's a phone. That's right. Not for eating.